bad when the lights go down and I'm all alone. All the fears come out just as the unknown.
Hi, January, this is Didong. Gusto natin batiin ng happy birthday. Enjoy your birthdays and more birthdays to come. Patay dami na hi, January, happy birthday. Otanjubi, minasang. Hi, arigato. See you soon. Asbe.
Hi, this is Hero from the library. And John Ray, it's your birthday. Kaya naman happy birthday sa'yo. Halika na, celebrate na natin yan. Take care always. Love you.
Hello John Ray, this is Rafaela from the library and I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Always remember you must do your best in everything that you do and everything else will follow. So stay safe always and thank you sa pagpunta sa mga gigs namin and I'm going to see you soon. Stay safe!
Hi John Ray! Happy birthday sa'yo! And of course, ang wish ko sa'yo is a good health. At syempre, lagi lang dapat masaya. At magkita ulit tayo dito sa The Library. And thank you so much sa pag-support sa The Squammies. See you! Happy birthday again!
Hi John Ray! Happy birthday sa'yo! Ako nga pala si CJ from library every Friday. Sana makapunta ka ha. Happy birthday sa'yo. Wish you all the best, lots of success, and more happiness.
Hi J-Ray! This is Jerry Colazo from the library. Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. God bless you!
Hi John Ray, this is Gray. Happy birthday sa'yo. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless. At sana, lagi tayo mag-bonding dito sa The Library. Thank you so much sa lahat ng efforts mo for always supporting us, especially at Thursday Squammies. Thank you, salamat sa friendship and I really hope na mas bumoga pa yung friendship natin. Thank you always. Salamat and God bless. Love you, John Ray. Happy birthday.